Most contractors hear about Who's Pro and immediately think one thing. It's probably just for interior designers. But here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of general contractors are using Who's Pro in completely different ways than people expect. And depending on your business model, it could either simplify your workflow dramatically or feel completely unnecessary. In this video, I'll explain whether Who's Pro actually works for general contractors, which types of contractors benefit most, the biggest weaknesses contractors need to know about, and whether the platform is worth considering in 2026. And later, I'll show you the hidden feature many contractors overlook that can actually help generate leads, not just manage projects. So let's get straight into it. First, does Who's Pro work for general contractors? Yes, for many residential-focused contractors, it absolutely can. Especially contractors handling remodeling, home renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior projects, and client-heavy residential workflows. That's where Who's Pro fits best operationally. Now here's where things get interesting. Who's Pro is not trying to compete directly with heavy commercial construction platforms like Procore. That's a completely different market. Who's Pro focuses much more on client experience, project communication, proposals, visual workflows, and residential project management. That distinction matters enormously. Now, imagine Jake runs a kitchen remodeling business. His workflow involves client communication, design approvals, estimates, photos, change orders, and scheduling updates. Who's Pro can align very naturally with that type of business. Now here's the problem. Some contractors expect enterprise-level construction management depth from Who's Pro. That's where disappointment happens. This is where most people fail. They buy software designed for one operational style while expecting it to behave like something completely different. Now in a minute, I'll show you which contractors should probably avoid Who's Pro entirely. But first, let's continue. One reason Who's Pro attracts residential contractors is simplicity. Many builders want clean client communication, easy proposal workflows, and lightweight project management without overwhelming complexity. That's a huge selling point, especially for smaller and mid-sized residential businesses. Now here's where things get interesting again. The platform also connects to the larger Who's ecosystem. That matters because visibility and lead generation can become part of the workflow experience. And this is the hidden feature many contractors overlook. Some contractors use Who's Pro not only for project management, but also for attracting homeowners through the Who's platform itself. That combination can become valuable for residential-focused businesses. Now imagine Alex specializes in bathroom renovations. Potential clients discover the company through Who's listings, then communication and project workflows continue inside Who's Pro Talk. That operational continuity feels convenient for many smaller contractors. Now let's discuss where Who's Pro may struggle. Large commercial construction. This is important. Commercial contractors managing RAFs, complex subcontractor coordination, enterprise documentation, and large-scale financial controls may find Who's Pro too lightweight operationally. Again, workflow fit matters. Now here's the problem. Some contractors compare Who's Pro to enterprise construction software directly. That comparison misses the point completely. Who's Pro is built primarily around residential client workflows and simpler operational management. That's its strength. Now in a minute, I'll show you the single biggest factor determining whether Who's Pro will actually work for your business. But first, let's continue. Another major advantage is usability. Many contractors prefer software that teams can adopt quickly without weeks of training. That simplicity matters more than many people realize. Because software nobody uses consistently creates zero operational value. Now imagine John buys extremely advanced construction software filled with enterprise features. The office staff struggles. Field crews ignore updates. Clients get confused. Suddenly, powerful software becomes operational chaos. This happens constantly. Now here's the single biggest factor I mentioned earlier. Business type. But that determines almost everything. Residential remodelers and design-focused contractors often care heavily about client experience, visual presentation, and communication simplicity. Commercial contractors prioritize documentation, compliance, financial controls, and subcontractor coordination. Completely different workflows. That's why no single platform fits every contractor. Now here's where things get interesting. Many smaller contractors overbuy software complexity. They assume bigger systems automatically create professionalism. But operational simplicity often produces better adoption and smoother workflows. That's a major lesson many contractors learn too late. Now let's discuss pricing value briefly. Who's Pro is often attractive to contractors wanting combined marketing exposure, KRM tools, proposals, and project management workflows in one ecosystem. That bundled approach appeals strongly to residential service businesses. But again, contractors needing deep enterprise controls may outgrow the platform eventually. Now, here's another hidden benefit. Client perception, professional proposals, organized communication, and polished workflows improve homeowner confidence significantly. That can absolutely help close projects faster, especially in competitive remodeling markets. Now, let's answer the practical question directly. Does Who's Pro work for general contractors? Yes, especially residential general contractors handling remodeling, renovations, and homeowner-focused projects. The platform works best for businesses prioritizing client communication, proposals, visual workflows, and lightweight project management. But commercial contractors managing highly complex operations may need deeper enterprise-level systems. That's the real answer. Now, before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Who's Pro works well for many residential-focused contractors because it combines project workflows, client communication, and visibility inside the larger Who's ecosystem. But its operational strengths differ significantly from enterprise construction management platforms. Now here's the biggest takeaway. The best construction software is not the platform with the most features. It's the one your team and clients actually enjoy using consistently. That's what creates operational momentum. So here's the bottom line. If you run a residential remodeling or renovation business, Who's Pro may absolutely fit your workflow well. But if your projects involve large-scale commercial coordination and enterprise-level complexity, you'll probably need something more robust. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which construction software you're currently using. And if you want, I can also compare Who's Pro against Buildertrend and KonstructIQ next.